Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
French film star Gerard Depardieu denies sex assault charges. French film star Gerard Depardieu today denied sex assault charges that could see jailed for up to 5 years. The 76-year-old looked tired and frail on Monday as he appeared at the Paris Correctional Court at the opening of a high-profile criminal trial. "I would like to make a statement beforehand and then answer the court's questions," said Depardieu, who made his name in hit movies including Green Card, Cyrano de Bergerac, and The Last Metro. His lawyer, meanwhile, said the charges were part of a flawed manhunt against the sacred monster of French cinema. Sitting a few feet away from Depardieu, who was wearing a black suit and Nike trainers, were the two plaintiffs: Amélie, a set designer aged 54, and Sarah, a 34-year-old assistant producer. Both said they were repeatedly assaulted by Depardieu during the filming of The Green Shutters, Les Volets Verts, in 2021. Jeremy Assouz, for Depardieu, said their claims should be rejected because of a failed investigation. Calling the honesty of the complainants into question, Mr. Assouz said, "The mission had to be fulfilled to bring down the sacred monster, Gerard Depardieu." Mr. Assouz said witnesses were all part of a flawed manhunt and that the trial should be cancelled. "In this trial, we have proof that the most basic principles were trampled on both by the judicial police officer in charge of this case and by the public prosecutor," said Mr. Assouz. He added, "Today, a complaint for sexual violence atomizes you, it kills you socially." In turn, lawyers for the complainants accused Mr. Assouz of stalling tactics and said the trial should go ahead. Karine Durieux-Diebolt, for Amélie, said the defense arguments presented today are inadmissible. Amélie has told French media that it felt like being in a wolf trap when Depardieu grabbed intimate parts of her body and verbally abused her. It was only thanks to security guards pulling Depardieu away that the assaults were not worse, she alleges. Sarah, the second plaintiff, says she was molested 3 times, with Depardieu grabbing her buttocks and breasts. Anouk Grinberg, 62, an actress who appeared in The Green Shutters, is among those who have backed such accounts. The case was adjourned in October when a lawyer for Depardieu said he was in great pain, both psychologically and physically, because of diabetes and a serious heart condition. During the current trial in the 10th chamber of the Correctional Court, hearings are limited to 6 hours, with Depardieu allowed regular breaks and permission to nibble at energy bars. He has also been given access to a private toilet and restroom, and is allowed to check his smartphone for blood sugar readings. Depardieu was first placed in police custody on April 29 last year, accused of the sexual assaults, and then bilaid to appear in court, where he faces up to 5 years in prison and a €75,000 (£62,000) fine. Depardieu is also set to stand trial at a later date for allegedly raping French actress Charlotte Arnaud, 29. Ms. Arnaud has renounced her right to legal anonymity, saying there is video footage of her performing a sex attack on Depardieu at his Paris mansion. He claims the sex was consensual and denies 2 counts of rape and sexual assault against Ms. Arnaud. Her decision to go public led to up to 15 women reporting Depardieu for alleged crimes that could also end up in court. It was also announced last month that Depardieu is under criminal investigation for tax fraud and money laundering. France's National Financial Prosecutor's Office said on Monday that an inquiry was first launched into Depardieu's finances last year. Sexual attacks are a huge issue in France right now, thanks to the Me Too movement highlighting crimes by rich and powerful men, including actors, sportsmen, and other celebrities. A year ago, French President Emmanuel Macron sparked fury by defending Mr. Depardieu. Mr. Macron appeared on a TV chat show and said he detested the actor being subjected to a manhunt. The current Depardieu trial is listed for 2 days, although the verdict may be withheld until later in the year.